In a move that has surprised many within the luxury watch community, Rolex announced not one, but two price increases in 2024. While a price hike in January is a typical occurrence, the second round of modifications, particularly focusing on golden two-tone models, was an unexpected development. This mid-year adjustment has generated significant attention and sparked discussions among collectors, enthusiasts, and industry observers alike. To understand why Rolex made this surprising decision, we must explore the various factors that could have influenced this mid-year pricing change. Historically, Rolex has been known for its careful and strategic pricing, often tied to maintaining its status as a symbol of luxury and exclusivity. However, the mid-year adjustment suggests there may be more immediate pressures or opportunities at play. One potential factor driving this decision could be changes in market demand. The luxury watch market is influenced by various factors, including global economic conditions, consumer confidence, and trends within the high-net-worth individual segment. A sudden surge in demand for Rolex's golden two-tone models could have prompted the brand to adjust prices to manage supply and maintain its exclusive image. Additionally, supply chain considerations may also play a role. The production of luxury watches involves sourcing rare and expensive materials like gold and diamonds, which are subject to market fluctuations. In recent years, supply chains have been increasingly impacted by global disruptions, such as geopolitical tensions, pandemic-related challenges, and fluctuations in the availability and price of raw materials. These factors could have led Rolex to reassess its pricing strategy mid-year, ensuring that the brand continues to protect its margins while managing costs effectively. Another significant factor could be broader economic conditions, particularly inflationary pressures. Inflation has been a concern in many parts of the world, with the cost of goods and services rising across various sectors. For a luxury brand like Rolex, which prides itself on the use of high-quality materials and exceptional craftsmanship, maintaining profitability in an inflationary environment could necessitate price adjustments. Moreover, the luxury market is often sensitive to changes in currency exchange rates, especially for a global brand like Rolex. Fluctuations in currency values can impact the cost of importing materials and exporting finished products, leading to adjustments in pricing to offset these changes. A mid-year price hike might be a strategic response to such economic challenges, ensuring that Rolex maintains its financial stability and brand positioning. The immediate impact of these price increases on consumers, particularly those in the United States, is significant. The United States is one of Rolex's largest markets, and any change in pricing is closely monitored by both consumers and competitors. For many buyers, Rolex is not just a timepiece, but an investment, and sudden price hikes can alter the perceived value of their purchases. For collectors and enthusiasts, the increase in prices might create a sense of urgency to buy before further hikes, potentially leading to a short-term surge in demand. However, for those on the fence or considering their first luxury watch purchase, the higher prices might push them towards other premium brands that offer similar quality and prestige at a lower cost. This shift in consumer behavior could have long-term implications for Rolex, as it risks alienating a segment of potential buyers who may turn to alternatives. The reaction from the watch community and the broader market will be telling in understanding the impact of Rolex's pricing strategy. Collectors and aficionados, who are often well-versed in the intricacies of the luxury watch market, may view the price increases through different lenses. Some may appreciate the exclusivity that comes with higher prices, seeing it as a reinforcement of Rolex's status as the pinnacle of luxury. Others, however, might perceive the hikes as a sign of opportunism, especially if they believe the increases are not fully justified by material costs or advancements in technology. The general market reaction will also be important to monitor. If other luxury watch brands observe that Rolex's price increases do not significantly dampen demand, they may be encouraged to implement similar strategies. This could lead to a broader trend of price hikes across the luxury watch sector, further elevating the cost of high-end timepieces and potentially reshaping the market dynamics. But as we look towards the future, it's essential to consider whether these mid-year price adjustments will become a new norm for Rolex or if they are a response to specific, short-term conditions. By examining historical trends, we can gain insights into Rolex's pricing behavior and speculate on its future strategies. Historically, Rolex has maintained a consistent approach to pricing, with annual increases typically aligned with inflation and cost changes. However, the 2024 mid-year adjustment deviates from this pattern, suggesting that the brand may be adopting a more dynamic pricing strategy. This could be a response to the increasingly volatile global market, where flexibility in pricing allows the brand to adapt quickly to changing conditions that if these mid-year adjustments become standard practice, it could signal a shift in Rolex's approach to market positioning. The brand may be seeking to capitalize on its strong demand and limited supply by implementing more frequent price increases, thereby reinforcing its image as an ultra-premium product. On the other hand, if the mid-year hike is a one-time response to unusual circumstances, such as unexpected material cost fluctuations or a temporary surge in demand, we might see a return to more predictable annual adjustments in the future. That Rolex's pricing strategy is deeply intertwined with its brand identity, which is built on the principles of exclusivity, prestige, and exceptional quality. By controlling production volumes and strategically adjusting prices, Rolex creates an environment of scarcity, where owning a Rolex is not just about having a luxury watch, but about being part of an elite group. This approach drives demand among affluent customers who value the status that comes with wearing a Rolex. However, the frequent price hikes also raise questions about the intrinsic value of Rolex watches. While the brand undeniably uses high-quality materials and offers superior craftsmanship, some may argue that the rapid increases are more reflective of market strategy than actual cost drivers. This perception could influence consumer sentiment, particularly among those who are price-sensitive or who compare Rolex to other high-end watch brands. The implications of Rolex's price increases extend beyond the primary market to the pre-owned Rolex market, which has become a thriving ecosystem for collectors and enthusiasts. As new Rolex models become more expensive, pre-owned versions may become even more desirable, driving up their prices as well. This trend could create opportunities for sellers in the pre-owned market, but it might also make it harder for new collectors to enter the market, as the cost of both new and pre-owned watches continues to rise. Interestingly, Rolex's recent price increases have primarily impacted models with gold and diamonds, rather than the more common stainless steel variants. This focus on precious materials underscores Rolex's strategic emphasis on luxury and exclusivity. For example, the Datejust model with its fluted bezel is now the most affordable in the Datejust collection, yet the bezel's white gold composition significantly contributes to the watch's value. Given the substantial amount of gold used in crafting this watch, a 3% price increase has a notable impact, raising the MSRP from £14,050 to £14,471 as of June 1st, 2024. That this considerable price increase highlights the intricate relationship between the materials used in luxury watchmaking and their effect on pricing dynamics. While stainless steel models are more widespread, the use of precious metals and gemstones often drives significant price hikes. Consumers need to be aware of these changes, especially when purchasing high-end timepieces like Rolex. Understanding how different materials influence pricing can help buyers make more informed decisions and navigate the ever-evolving landscape of luxury watch pricing. Moreover, this increase not only reflects the cost of materials, but also reinforces Rolex's strategic positioning in the market. By utilizing premium materials like gold, Rolex solidifies its image as a creator of exquisite, timeless pieces that are as much about artistry and heritage as they are about functionality. For consumers, this means that every price adjustment is not merely an economic decision, but a calculated move to maintain the brand's exclusivity and allure in a competitive luxury market. While these price increases may appear minor, they reflect the changing dynamics of luxury watch pricing. The slight but consistent hikes are indicative of larger economic forces, such as rising raw material costs, shifts in global markets, and the strategic efforts of luxury brands to uphold their status. By staying informed and understanding these underlying factors, customers can make more informed decisions and navigate the world of high-end timepieces with confidence, ensuring that their investments align with their personal values and long-term goals. What are your thoughts on the topic we covered? If you found this information helpful, we would love to hear from you. Please share your thoughts by leaving a comment and giving us a thumbs up. Your feedback is highly valued, and we look forward to hearing from you.